to be or not to be? And when should you capitalize?
Going forward, please bear in mind that these rules come from the Chicago Manual of Style. They are pretty run-of-the-mill, however. The list of capitalization rules is massive, but let's focus on the general ones for brevity's sake.
When to capitalize?
Capitalize when someone is addressed directly by a title, and that title is used instead of the person's name. This direct address means that words such as the, my, and aren't present. For example,
Would you believe my mother knows him?
mother is lowercase.
Would you believe mother knows him?
Mother is capitalized.
But my Uncle James says that often.
Uncle is lowercase.
But Uncle James says that often.
Uncle is capitalized.
But Uncle says that often.
Uncle is capitalized.
But her Uncle James says that often.
Uncle is lowercase.
What do we do, Coach?
Coach is capitalized.
He's my coach.
Coach is lowercase.
We should ask Coach Rogers. He knows.
Coach is capitalized.
Call Captain Henry now. He should see this.
Captain is capitalized.
Call the captain now. He should see this.
Captain is lowercase.
What do we do, Captain?
Captain is capitalized.
I don't think King Arthur was popular.
King is capitalized.
I don't think the king was popular.
King is lowercase.
Right this way, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty is always capitalized.
Would Your Highness like to join the party?
Your Highness is always capitalized. But
Right this way, my lord.
my lord is lowercase.
You are correct, my lady.
My lady is lowercase.
No, sir.
Sir or ma'am is lowercase. And don't capitalize when it's not a title.
You were supposed to bring the money, idiot.
Idiot is lowercase.
How to format the dialogue.
When someone's addressed by name or title, use a comma. For example,
I'd like to go to the party, Mother. Mother, may I go to the party? We did the best we could, General, but it's no use. General, we did the best we could, but it's no use. What should we do, General?